Hi, this video is going to be a winner announcement and it's also going to be a giveaway announcement as well. So let's just start with the winner announcement. So this was for Glossybox August edition and it's their Pride box. Now, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering what on earth I'm going on about, I've started to receive PR boxes through Glossybox over the last couple of months, but I've kept my subscription running as well. So if I haven't got any special occasions like birthdays or anything coming up, I'm going to put these boxes that I've paid for myself up for a giveaway. This is the Pride box. If you want to see the unboxing and want to see what was in this box, I will link my last video down below. I go onto a random comment generator picker, something like that, on for YouTube anyway. Type in the URL for my video and it brings up all the comments and then it chooses a person at random. So then the name comes up. So then what I do then, I go into my YouTube, I go into my creative studio and then I click on community and I type the winner's name into the search box. So any messages that person has posted, it'll all come up. So I just click on that person's name, brings up their own page, and then I'm able to see if they're subscribed to my channel or not. So one of the requirements to be entered into the giveaway and to become a winner of my giveaway is to be subscribed to my channel. I've just been through potential winners who have actually, left lovely messages, have entered this giveaway, but unfortunately when the name came up and I did a search to see if they are actually subscribed, they might well be, but some of them were set to private, so I wasn't able to see if they were subscribed to me or not. Unfortunately, it meant I had to go on to the next person. But I've got a winner, and the winner is Jo Smith. So congratulations, honey, you've won my August giveaway. Now her message was, I've just finished crocheting a chunky cardie and I'm working on a cowl. That's what I'm looking forward to snuggling up in warm clothes. So yeah, so I'll be in touch with you. You've got your Instagram there, so I'll be in touch with you as soon as I finish this video and I'll be sending the box out to you straight away. Well, within the next couple of days anyway. But yeah, congratulations. So on to September's giveaway. Now this will be running until I get my October box. So I've already unboxed this. This is my PR box. If you see my video, this one was a little bit late. Normally I receive a PR boxes around the 1st of the month and then my paid for box then comes about a week or so later. So there was a bit of a delay with sending the PR boxes out, so I unboxed my paid for box on the channel, or on my channel, and that's what you saw and that's what I'm keeping because I tested it all out and tried things out. So this came a few days ago and all the items, I haven't touched. They're all wrapped up in there. There is a Beauty Pro detoxifying bubble mask, which is there. And then on the back then, I have to remind myself, we've got a full-size Your Facial scrubber. It's a mini scrubber. Then we've got a full-size Karl Lagerfeld lip pencil. Then we've got a Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox, and it's like a pre-wash treatment. Then down here we got some Wet Ones wipes. And what else we got? We've got something else as well. Oh, it's up here. Bang Beauty Eyebrow Cream. The shade Milk Chocolate is in this box, which I'm gutted about because I would have liked that one because I got a dark chocolate one. A dark chocolate was too dark for me. So if I'd waited, I could have swapped, but I can't because I've actually tried my dark chocolate one now, but it's fine. I do use it a little bit, only a little bit, but no, the milk chocolate would have suited me a lot better. But anyway, milk chocolate is actually in this box. So to be in for a chance of winning, as I said at the start, or as I just said just now, you have to be subscribed to my channel. If you're under the age of 16, you need parental guidance. If you don't, if you're under the age of 16, you need parental consent or a carer's consent. So considering I have to remember all about my subscription boxes, all the information, I'm still finding it a struggle to remember the simple guidelines for my giveaways. Or else click the like button as well, because in my analytics, out of how many subscribers I've got now, I've got 5,100 or 207, I believe, something like that, which is absolutely wonderful. But only about 30% of my subscribers are actually watching my videos, which is quite low. But it's quite well known that just because you're subscribed to my channel doesn't automatically mean that you will see my videos coming up on like your feed. So if you really want to not miss any of my videos and you're subscribed to my channel, I would really recommend you clicking, or I hope you would click the bell button. So yeah, to be in for a chance of winning, I want you to click that bell button. And leave a comment down below. You can welcome to write anything you want, something about this box or something about what you're looking forward to in the next couple of months or so. And also leave something that I can contact you with by your Instagram name, your Twitter name, or your personal email, something like that, so then I can, you know, easily contact you. I think that's it. Please look down below in the description just in case I have forgotten something, because when it comes to these videos I just ramble on and on and on. So good luck everyone, and I will speak to you soon. I'll go now, take care, bye bye. Oh, one thing, it's open internationally. So there, yeah, we've had Jamaica winners, we've had France winners, we've had winners from all over the world. So thank you, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.